Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about try Louma and the product they are selling right now. This is the product like Louma Age Garlic Extract Gelatin Free Capsules. Okay, so you should buy these capsules or not. Does it really work or it just another scam? So basically yes, this is a type of a scam, and this is not directly scam, but this is a type of a scam. And what's the scam? The scam is, you can see like Garl Ageless and the capsules. You can see over here there are so many capsules is available on amazon.com, and you can buy product very easily and there is no problem. Okay, and these kind of capsules will really work. But if we talk about like this brand, okay, try Louma. So basically when you buy product on their official website, there is an option like subscribe and save, and by default this option is activated. And when you buy a product, they will activated subscription on your account, and you have to pay lots of fees in the form of subscription. If you want product or not, you have to pay the fees, and this is the only problem of this product. So that's why I'm telling you like this is a kind of a scam. And if we talk about like what you can do, you can avoid product purchase on this platform, and you can buy product on, you can say like on amazon.com. This is the best option for you. And if we talk about like these kind of platforms is very common in today's time, and my suggestion is only this: please try to avoid, and otherwise they are going to charge on your account very high. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any experience, please make a comment, and if you have already make a purchased, so how you can cancel your subscription. So you can cancel your subscription by following our second video. The link is in our video description box, or you can find on our YouTube channel. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.